Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Saima Parveen, lecturer in Geography, Government Degree Girls College, Nawabshah. Dear student, today I am going to explain the topic An Introduction to Geography and Earth. Let's start. Class BSc Part 1, Subject Physical Geography. What is the meaning of geography? Geography actually is the combination of two Greek words. Geography. Geo means earth and graphy means description. So, what is the meaning of geography? Geography means the study of the earth's description or the study of the earth's landscapes. It includes both natural and cultural landscapes. Now, some definitions of geography. The first definition may be, it is the interrelationship between man and his environment. For example, ports are sited along the coast. Factories are located near mining districts. So this is the relationship of environment with man. And the second definition may be distribution of things on the surface of the earth. Now the scope of the geography. So geography covers two main branches or two main aspects. And the two main aspects are, the first one is the physical geography and the second is the human geography. What is the physical geography? Physical geography is mainly concerned with the interaction of four basic elements and four widely different elements, and the four basic elements are air, land, water and living things. So, living things. What is atmosphere? Geographically, we may call the atmosphere. Atmosphere means the air or the gases around the surface of the earth, which influence our weather and climate. Then we have the lithosphere. Litho means crust. What is crust? The crust of the earth with its mountain, plain, plateau, hills and plains. The earth's crust of the rocks and soil and various physical landforms such as mountain, plateau, hills, plain, coast, etc. Then there is hydrosphere. Hydro means water. The third element is hydrosphere. Hydro means water and sphere means on the globe. So, what is the meaning of hydrosphere? The seas and the ocean of the world in the form of water bodies. All the water bodies in the form of lakes, oceans, rivers. This is called hydrosphere. And the fourth element is the living things. Living things, geographically we may call it biosphere. Bio means life and sphere means on the earth. So it means the life on the earth or all the living things on the surface of the earth in the form of plants, animals and man himself. Now this is the diagrammatical representation of these four elements or the relationship between the physical and the human aspect with the help of diagram. And these four elements can be shown as atmosphere, air, lithosphere means land, biosphere, all the living organism or the living things on the surface of the earth, and then hydrosphere. Hydrosphere means all the water on the surface of the earth in the form of lakes, oceans or rivers, and this is collectively called our earth. Now the second most important aspect of the geography is the human geography, about the man or the cultural things. And what is the human geography? It is the study of how man interacts with his environment through different activities or through such activities, and the activities are the hunting. The first activity is the hunting. These all are the economic activities. What is hunting? Hunting actually is the hunting of wild animals. The second is the fishing. What is fishing? The fishing is the activity of catching fishes. Agriculture. What is the agriculture? Agriculture actually is also known as farming, or the practice of farming including cultivation of soils. The fourth is the mining. And what is the mining? Mining is the process of obtaining minerals from the mines. Then we have manufacturing industries. Manufacturing also known as industries. And industries are, what are industries? Or industries are the making goods or different articles using large scale machineries. The sixth is the trade and transport. What is the trade and transport? Trade is the process of buying, selling or exchanging of commodities. And while transport, what is transport? Transport is the transfer of goods from one place to another place. So this was all about the physical geography and human geography and its different types. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.